Hey guys, meteorologist Dave Allen with your mid-morning weather update on this storm system. It is going to go downhill very, very quickly as we head through the rest of the day. Let's get right to it with the radar and see what is happening. We have rainfall ongoing, and some of it is heavy, just between Susquehanna County and Wayne County up there, all the way to the south here. Pockets of yellow, that's the heavier rain and stronger wind gusts. But further to the west, you can see that cold air pushing in, and that is what we are watching as we head through the afternoon. The National Weather Service now has a winter weather advisory in effect for the southern Pocono region, including all of Lehigh Valley, Bucks County, and beyond because of this. It's not the amount of snow that we're going to be dealing with, it's the time that it's going to fall and how quickly it's going to impact travel as we head through the afternoon. And with that comes the temperature drop. Notice the temperatures hanging on into the 40s in many areas as of now, but once we get into the afternoon, look at what's happening out in the western part of the state here. We are seeing temperatures already down into the single digits. Pennsylvania is sliced in half. So with that said, let's go town by town here, what you can expect from north to south as we head through the afternoon hours. I did a breakdown between noon and 5 o'clock. I think that's a good time frame for you guys. Let's start with Honesdale. Love you guys. We are going to see temperatures not looking good. Upper 30s here. We are going to see blinding snow squalls, damaging wind gusts. That rain is quickly going to change to snow for you as we get into the early mid-afternoon hours. And with that said, roads are going to be almost impossible for a little bit. So make sure you have your four-ways on if you have to, if you must travel in Wayne County, especially on those secondary roads where there's not much around. Just be careful. Make sure you have a protein packed in your car, like a protein bar. Hats and gloves are definitely a must in this situation, especially in the rural areas up north. I know how it is. And we will be getting down into the single digits by 5 o'clock here. So a rapid freeze of everything. Same goes for further to the south. Milford, Mother Nature is not discriminating here, whether you're in a low-lying town center or way up in the mountaintops. It's going to get pretty bad out there. And the higher you are in elevation in Pike County, Wayne County, and no matter where you are, the stronger the wind gusts associated with this system and the better chance of you seeing a power outage. Further to the south, Mount Pocono, this is a good example. You guys are going to be down into the low to mid 30s by noon already, and it's just going to tank quickly. By 5 o'clock, you are going to be around 4 or 5 degrees with a wind chill of about 15 to 20 below zero. We do have a wind chill advisory in effect for the entire region. Because of this system, it's going to be, we're going to see a flash freeze, and yes, disorienting conditions as we get into the afternoon hours. That winter weather advisory, 1 to 2 inches of snow in just a matter of about a half an hour to an hour. So get ready, Mount Pocono, and the rest of Monroe County, Stroudsburg, yeah, same deal. We are going to be seeing temperatures in the upper 30s, and they will be tanking down into the single digits with that winter weather advisory in effect for this afternoon. And that timing is going to be sometime between early mid-afternoon. Don't focus on a time frame because this is a front that's just going to sweep through. So it's better for you to just stay put and not head out, because Interstate 80, this time of year, especially with all of the holiday traffic, this could be a nightmare. So do yourselves a favor. If you are local, just stay put. And as we head further to the south here, we're getting into Palmerton. It's going to get bad on the hilltops. If you have any travel plans through Franklin Township or anywhere up into Penn Forest Township, I'd stay put. Just hold off your travel plans until this mess sweeps by. Yes, it's going to be cold and blustery, but at least the heaviest snow will be pushed out of the region, and that'll give road crews time to handle this mess. And then once we get down into the Lehigh Valley, temperatures in the 40s, tanking down to about 10 degrees by 5 o'clock. That winter weather advisory is for us as well. So it's going to get bad. And like I said, I have to emphasize it again. If you are local and you have no nowhere to go. Just stay off the roads. There are lots of holiday travelers out there that really don't know the area and don't know our roadways very well, and that is going to cause some problems on area roadways in addition to all of this snow. So with that said, I hope you guys stay safe and have a great holiday weekend and stay warm.